The curiosity to learn exists when we think I am an agyani. I don't know anything. Then this hankering let me know. But when a person thinks I know, then there is no need to know anymore. So Uddhav is a jnani and he is the personal friend of Sri Krishna. So friend doesn't listen to a friend. Like in Hindi there is this muhavara, ghar ki murgi dal barabar. He is my friend, I have grown up with him. What lecture is he giving me nowadays? So Sri Krishna, he played a move to send Uddhav to the gopis. Otherwise Uddhav would not have gone. He said, Uddhav, will you do me a favor? Uddhav said, tell me, what is it? You know, there are these gopis who reside in Vrindavan. So I was there for the first 11 years and they developed great attachment for me. Now I have come away from there to Mathura. I have got so many works out here, I don't have time to go back. Besides, from here I have to now go to Dwarika, and in Dwarika, from there, then I will have to create this Mahabharat battle and do so many things. So I have many works left in my avatar called dissension period. They are all extremely anxious, in great pain of separation from me. The gopis were in such tremendous pain of separation, each moment they would feel, if now we don't see Krishna, our life will leave the body. So they are in such tremendous pain, why don't you go and give them your knowledge? So Uddhav said, which knowledge are you talking about? This principle that you jnanis have. Then why are you crying for God? You are God yourself. Just contemplate. Aham brahmasmi tattvamasi ayamatma brahma pragyanam brahma. 4 Mahavakyas of Jnani. Just develop this sentiment that you are God and the whole world will become Brahmamay. Uddhav said, this is an ordinary matter. If a Jnani gets a chance to give a discourse pravachan, they don't want to miss it. So Uddhav thought, so many gopis, they will all become my disciples. He went off. Before leaving, he said that there your mother Yashoda will also be there. And she will say that Uddhav, Krishna has sent a message for the gopis and he's forgot about that mother who made him grow up, who fed him her milk. So Sri Krishna said, all right Uddhav, I am sending a message for Yashoda as well. Maiyaso kahiyo jay Uddhav, go and tell Mother Yashoda this. Tumharo lal kiyo palagan charan kamal sirnay Uddhav. Go and place your head on Yashoda's feet and tell her that your son has sent his pranam to you. Uddhav said, you are smart. Yashoda, her heart will fill up when I do that. But she will say, what is the message? So Krishna said, you tell Yashoda this. Yadapi madhupuri sakal raj sukha asana basana bahutaya udho. Tell her that your son has now become the king of Mathura. He's got all the kingly luxuries there, great clothes to wear and big feasts to eat. But this whole Mathura is seeming insipid to me. Tadapi bhava vatsalya sab phiko parat lakhaya udho. Without that mother's love, I am not liking this Mathura. Because here everybody is praising me, Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki jai, Mathuradhish ki jai. But that loving scolding I used to get from my mother, Krishna, you've not eaten your food, come here or I'll beat you up. There's nobody used to scold me like that out here. So Uddhav said, whoo, if I say this to Yashoda, she'll think my Lala loves me so much. But then she will say, why are you not coming back? If that is the case, you are missing me. Why are you not returning? Krishna said, tell Yashoda that I did one mistake. Vesha pilaya kuchalaya putana gai mukti padpaya udho. That Putana who had come to make me drink poison from her breasts, that Putana, when I drank, I killed her and liberated her. Sent her to my divine abode. You see, if God kills somebody, that soul gets liberated. They go to his abode. So I sent Putana to Golok. Ab maiya ko kaha dau yah nishidin sochat maya udho. Now, my dilemma is, what will I give Mother Yashoda? If I give Yashoda also Golok, people will say, what kind of injustice is this? That demoness who made you drink poison, you've given her Golok. And the mother who gave you milk, you've given her also Golok. Give Yashoda something bigger. And I don't have anything beyond this Golok. So, I am eternally indebted to Yashoda. So, finally, Kripaluji Maharaj concludes. Lokahuriti Kripalu rini jo so paradesa siddhaya udho. He says, even in the world, when some big debt comes on someone, you know, earlier days there used to be bonded labor. The father's debt would come on the son, grandfather's debt would come. The person would be in debt with no hope of clearing it in life. So that person would run away from there, forget it. Let's go and establish ourselves in some other town, and if we do get established, then we'll repay the debt and come back. So I am eternally indebted to Yashoda. There is no way I can repay my debt. That is why I have run away from there and come here. So Uddhav said, all right, your message will do the job. So he went. Now when he was going from Mathura to Vrindavan, he was walking along the river Yamuna. And he found that from all the houses there was a stream coming and meeting the Yamuna. He was wondering that what is this, so much of water? He asked one Brajbasi, which is the house of Yashoda and Nand Baba, Krishna's parents. The Brajbasi said, you know this big stream, you walk along this. And where it starts from, that is the house of Nand and Yashoda. Uddhav did not understand the significance of it, but he walked along. When he reached their palace, he looked inside, he realized. Nand and Yashoda was sitting there and crying. Our Krishna had said he will come back in 2 days. He is still not back. When will he come back? Everything seems vacant and void without him. They would morning get up and keep on waiting. Will he come back today? He had promised he will come. And they would continue crying till night. And all their tears had formed that little stream. And the other Brajbasis would do the same. They would just keep waiting for Krishna. And all their tears had formed these little streams that were going and merging into the Yamuna. Uddhav felt totally humbled. He thought, what kind of love these people have. I thought I was a big jnani. But just look at the nature of my heart and the nature of these people's hearts. That humility came to him. He then offered his respects to Yashoda by placing his head at her feet and conveyed Krishna's message. Yashoda said, Uddhavji, I have the inner strength, I am tolerating it. But these gopis and Radha, their situation is very pitiable. You go and convey your message to them. So Uddhavji next went to the gopis. Now the gopis found out that he's come from our beloved with a message. They all gathered there. And Uddhav started his lecture. Why do you cry for Krishna? You yourself are God. Just develop this sentiment. Soham Shivoham, Soham Shivoham. All problems solved. The whole world will become Brahmamay. Sarvam Khal Vidam Brahma. The gopis kept on hearing him and laughing inside. He became a jnani by reading us. Some of the gopis were richas or mantras of the Vedas. These Veda mantras are God's knowledge energy. They also have a personal form. Every energy of God exists in the formless and in the personal form. So these gopis, some of them were Veda richas or Veda mantras. They said, he read us to become a jnani and he's giving us a lecture. Then why are you crying for Krishna? You yourself are God. So Uddhav completed his lecture. He thought, today I have done a great job. They must have totally understood. So the gopi said, Uddhav Maharaj, your lecture was most wonderful and praiseworthy, but we are ordinary village women. So we have some doubts. Uddhav said, what is it you did not understand? Go ahead and ask. Now began that famous Uddhav Gopi Samvad, that hundreds of poets have written thousands of verses about. The biggest jnanis and the biggest devotees. So the Gopi said, Uddhavji, you said that you meditate on this Brahma. With what should we meditate? With what? Uddhav said, with the mind, what else? The Gopi said, Uddhavji, but our mind is not with us. Where did it go? Your friend Krishna took it away with him. What do you mean? We mean, Udho manana bhaye das bis ekahu to so gayo sham sang ko avaradhe isa Udhoji manana bhaye das bis. We have one mind, it has gone with Sham Sundar. Now with which mind should we do this sadhana that you are talking about? Uddhav said, now what to answer them? Well, it is like this, it is like that. Gopi said, never mind, Uddhavji, next question. You said you meditate on this Brahma. Yes. So this Brahma is divine. Right. And your mind is material. Right. So in this material mind, how will we meditate on the divine Brahma? The Vedas say, yan manusan manute ye nahur manomatam. Uddhav said, where am I stuck right now? So again he started fumbling, it is like this, it is like that. The gopi said, next question. You said there is only one entity, Brahma. That is the philosophy of Gyan Marg. There is one entity, Brahma. And the soul is Brahma. And this world is all mithya, illusion. So Gopi said that, who are you? Uddhav said, I am Brahma. Who am I? You are Brahma. Who is this? She is Brahma. So Uddhav ji, if there is only one Brahma, whom are you giving pravachan to? Are you giving it to yourself? And if you are seated in the level of Brahma realization, if you are seated in that realization of non-dualism, you should only see Uddhav, 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 Uddhav. But you are saying, oh, I am a Jnani, I know, and these people do not know, and I am explaining to them. Where are you in Advait? You are in Dvait. The pravachan can only take place where there is Dvait. You are saying you are an Advaiti, but the fact is you are in Dvait. Uddhav thought, today I have got stuck in a bad place. How to save my life from here now? So the gopis discussed, they said, don't embarrass him like this. After all, he is the friend of our beloved. So they understood why he has been sent. They said, let us fulfill that reason. Give him that divine love. So one gopi said, Uddhav ji, you think we are crying in separation from Krishna? Yes. You've got it all wrong. You think Krishna is in Mathura? Absolutely not. Krishna is right here. Uddhav said, right here? But he sent me from Mathura to give this message to you all. He is a little naughty. He may have come running from somewhere. He is not cut. Where is he? Tell me. The gopi said, let me show you. See, by the side of the tree, there is Krishna. Uddhav said, where is he? I can't see him. Other gopi said, let me show you. There by the side of this bush. Uddhav can't make out anything. Third gopi says, he is right here. Now Uddhav doesn't know what's going on. Uddhav ji, you will not be able to see him. You don't accept the personal form. Gopi said, Uddhav ji, you are saying that Krishna is in Mathura. Our experience is that wherever we look, we see the form of Krishna. Vatan mein, ghatan mein, vithin mein, bagan mein, belin mein, vatika mein, phulan mein, van mein, daran mein, diwarin mein, dehari darichan mein, hiran mein, haran mein, bhushan mein, tan mein, कानन में, कुंजन में, गोपिन में, गायन में, गोकुल में, गोधन में, दामिनी में, घन में, जहाँ जहाँ देखूं तहाँ श्याम ही दिखाई देत, मेरो श्याम छाए रहियो नैनन में मन में. Wherever we look, we see Sri Krishna. And you are saying he is in Mathura. Uddhav ji, do you know? He doesn't have the strength to leave us. Why? Because we are abala. This abala is a term in Hindi. It means the weaker sex. The women are weaker, so the abala, they are called abala, weaker. So the gopis say, listen, we are abala. We are not abala the way people think in the world. We are abala. There is nobody as strong as us. Because the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna doesn't have the ability to leave us. The gopis said, Uddhav ji, this basket of knowledge that you have brought, in this land of Braj, you will not find one atom where you can put this. Because here the condition is Shama tan Shama man Shama hi hamaro dhan ऊधो हमें आठों याम, श्याम ही सो काम है। श्याम ही ये श्याम जिए, श्याम बिना नाही जिए। अंधे की सीला करी, आधार श्याम नाम है। श्याम ज्ञान श्याम ध्यान, श्याम ही हमारो प्राण। श्याम श्याम रटत सकल ब्रज धाम है। ऊधो तुम भय बौरे, पातील आए दौरे। योग कह राखे यहाँ, रोम रोम श्याम है। श्याम तन श्याम मन। Uddhav saw the state of the gopis. He said, I only used to say Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. God is everywhere. These gopis are at that state of realization. He saw the level of their love and realization, he fell at their feet.